Hey there, fellow forest dwellers. Got quite the tale to share today. Well, hello there, friend. You know, I once knew this kid named Critterhat, wildest little human you ever did see. I can see that look, you don't believe me yet. This critter kid actually climbed onto a massive grizzly bear and rode it straight off Thunder Falls. I swear on every tree in this forest deck, it's absolutely true. Sometimes the wildest stories are the truest ones, folks. Until next time, keep believing.